Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, September 5th. Of course, Monday was closed for the holiday Labor Day. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, short week of trading. Quick look at the markets. Monday had that big flush and bounce. Tuesday up small. Thursday up big, just below all-time highs in the S&P. And then today we gapped up after NFP into new all-time high territory and then sold off, and then a pretty decent bounce for the late morning second part of the day. So kind of a wild and wacky day of price action. NASDAQ has not gotten back up to its all-time high that it hit on August 13th. Russell, a little bit stronger price action on the week. It pushed above that previous high that it made on August 28th. And the Dow just under its all-time high that it hit on 8/22. Gold hit a new all-time high this week, and again today, 36.55 per ounce. Silver also pretty strong, didn't quite get up to its Tuesday all-time high of $42.29 an ounce. Notes and bonds pushing for the last few days. 10-year yield coming down, of course, with the inverse correlation to bonds. 10-year yield settled in at 4.079. Oil, a little bit lower the last few days. Natty gas, a little bit stronger for the week. The euro and the pound were both kind of choppy back and forth. Big down days on Monday. Oh no, that was last Friday. Yeah, Monday. And then up today. So weakness in the dollar today. And then Bitcoin settled in around a little over 112,000, pretty choppy for the week. Volatility, VIX touched down into the 14 handle, settled at 15.18 after touching a high of nearly 20, 19.41 on Monday when the market was flushing. So again, pretty wild price action for the week. As far as next week goes, we have nothing Monday, nothing Tuesday, PPI pre-market on Wednesday, CPI pre-market Thursday, and then Friday, consumer sentiment and inflation expectations 30 minutes after the market opens. So could see some action next week as well with those reports. As far as my trading goes, I ended red for the week. So starting with my 0 and 1 DTE category, didn't do any price action iron condors. Did a small reverse iron condor today that I ended up scratching for plus 35. The rest were multi-tranche iron condors, some discretionary long call verticals, and kind of a discretionary bullish butterfly one day that had a nice profit. But plus 1542 on those, plus the RIC, so plus 1577 for the week. Just kind of okay. Where I really got smoked was my BIX. My regular BIX down 5,500, and then add another $7,400 loss on my DDBs. So minus a little over 13,000 on those for the week. Mahomes coming in strong, plus 1690, 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser. Also got hit on a calendar today on a 6-7 that I put on near the open, and just never really was in the green. Down about 5,800 on that one. I did a 7-8 on Tuesday, so minus 6,300 on the calendars for the week. Transformers transformed 3-1 DTE iron condors. 2 of them hit minimum profit, 1 hit max profit, plus 2,640 on those. No option selling. Day trades just kind of meh, plus 417. Tuesday, almost 2,000. Wednesday, minus 3,200. Nice day on Wednesday. Nice day on Thursday, almost 5,000. And then today gave some back, minus 3,300. So pretty break-even week, really, on day trades. And then these just did a couple of earnings trades. One on CRM, one on AVGO, plus 983 on those 2 trades. So that is it for the week. Everybody have a good weekend. Talk to you next week.